everyone and welcome back to the Marketing Empress. If you're new here, my name is Simratni and I make videos on all things marketing. Today with this video, we are starting a new series on the channel, that of advertising analysis. So what we aim to do as a part of this particular series is that we will look at some popular ads and some not so popular ads and try to understand the thought that's gone behind making them. Right from understanding the marketing strategy, the advertising concept, to understanding the consumer connect, we will do it all. In this video, we will be talking about KitKat advertising analysis, how their communication has evolved over the years, and how the tagline, "Have a break, have a KitKat," has evolved as well. Of course, before we start, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on any content that gets uploaded on the channel in the future. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm sure KitKat has been one of our favorite chocolates right from the childhood. So if I were to ask you to associate certain things with the brand KitKat, two things that will definitely stand out are the red wrapper and the tagline, "Have a break, have a KitKat." We will cover the following topics as a part of the video. Number 1, brief history of KitKat. Number 2, introduction and growth of the tagline, "Have a break, have a KitKat." Number 3, advertising campaign analysis of KitKat in India. Number 4, advertising learnings. Let's look at each of them in detail now. Let's start with a brief history. Now, KitKat was launched back in 1935 in London, wherein it was known as Rowntree's Chocolate Crisp. However, 2 years later, it was renamed as KitKat Chocolate Crisp. After the World War II, the chocolate crisp part was dropped as back in those days. The chocolate and the taste of the chocolate kept changing because there wasn't much fresh milk available to produce the chocolate. This was also for the first and the last time when the KitKat red wrapper was replaced by the blue one, denoting lack of fresh milk. The name KitKat comes from Christopher Catling's famous political and literary club called KitKat. Today, the brand is present in over 80 countries. In India, KitKat entered the market in 1995. Fun fact, did you know there are over 540 KitKat fingers consumed worldwide every second? Now let's understand the introduction and growth of the tagline, "Have a break, have a KitKat." The tagline, "Have a break, have a KitKat," was introduced back in 1958 at JWT London by Donald Gillis. Since then, the tagline has been used across KitKat commercials. The tagline was launched with 4 commercials and a press campaign. And today, the tagline has become a registered property of the brand as well. The tagline was intended with a double meaning. First, the break of having to actually break the chocolate piece, and the other break was associated with resting, taking a break from your regular routine. Over the years, the brand and the advertising agencies have ensured that they use this tagline to benefit the brand in multiple ways. One tagline has been used across campaigns portraying different things altogether. I believe it takes a lot of courage for a brand to ensure that they provide some sort of newness with the same consistent tagline, and it's worked for the brand so well so far. Today, the tagline is used across countries, and each of these countries have their own layer of creativity coming in while designing ad campaigns. From then till now, the brand has not taken a break from using the tagline, barring one occasion. The year 2020 marked the 85th anniversary of the chocolate, and as a tribute to the tagline, they decided to go without the same tagline for 10 days. They asked the consumers to come up with ideas or suggestions for alternate taglines that can be used for KitKat. It was like a competition wherein the best slogan or the tagline wins, and it had a huge following on social media. So now that the history is covered, Let's look at the various ad campaigns in India. The first one, the adorable squirrel dance back in 2010.
I love you. काटे नहीं कटते ये दिन ये रात कहने थे तुमसे जो दिल की बात रोज मैं कहता हूँ. I love you. I love you. I love you.
माना कि लाइफ बहुत बिजी है, पर कभी कभी ब्रेक लो, किटकैट खाओ. जिंदगी आपको शायद कुछ हसीन दिखा दे.
किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है.
As a kid, I remember this commercial, and if I were to pick a favorite, this definitely has to be. Let me know in the comment box below which one was your favorite from the lot. The aim of the commercial was to bring in a new spin to the tagline that has been used in the commercial. And we could see a clear shift from product usefulness to the benefit that the consumer gets. The tagline, Zindagi aapko kuch haseen dikha de, has a clear connect with the consumers and works very well. Next up, the Babies Dancing commercial in 2013.
कभी कभी ब्रेक लो, किटकैट खाओ. न जाने अगला पल क्या ले आए. किटकैट ब्रेक बनता है.
This campaign had a similar spin to the previous one, but the tagline was slightly tweaked to "Na jaane agla pal kya le aaye." The whole premise of the ad campaign was based on the fact that if you consume a Kit Kat, irrespective of whatever routine you have in your surroundings, you might be able to look at something good or make out something good out of the regular. Now the babies dancing part, it has been used for a very long time by the brand Evian, which is a water brand, and the ad communication has been very popular outside India. And this ad campaign sort of had a similar feel. But I think what worked really well in this case of this particular ad campaign is the catchy tune. So when you're listening to the song, you are motivated to tap your feet. You feel like you're refreshed. And the best part is, it's a chocolate that makes you feel so. Next is the rapping announcer commercial 2016.
This is your final call, Mr. Verma. Mr. Verma?
I need a break. भाग वर्मा भाग. भाग जल्दी भाग.
हर ब्रेक है एक मौका कुछ अलग कर दिखाने का. So whoever you are, however you break, have a break, have a Kit Kat.
Nestle, good food, good life.
Now here the tagline, हर ब्रेक है मौका कुछ अलग कर दिखाने का, is again adding a new twist to the tagline. The best part about this ad campaign because it brings in the flexibility that the tagline entitles. Now in this case, the ad campaign was so well shot, so well executed that in the mind of your consumer, you are interested in knowing will Verma actually make it to the flight. That I think talks volumes about what the communication has been and how the brand ensures that the ad campaigns that come on air are in sync with what the brand stands for. And lastly, the most recent one, Ayushmann Khurrana campaign 2020.
जोक्स असाइड पहले बताओ ये किसने फेंका?
किसने फेंका? लाइफ है, ब्रेक बनता है.
Nestle, good food, good life.
Now, the year 2020 was a different one, a difficult one indeed. And a lot of brands had to shift their communication and their creative approach to be in sync with what the year demanded. Same was with the case of KitKat. Now, with this ad campaign, they ensured to bring in a connectivity angle by including online classes. They roped in Ayushmann Khurrana as their brand ambassador because he has a strong connect with the community. The communication was simple, yet in the same zone of break banta hai. Now let's look at the learnings that we can derive from these advertising campaigns. The first one, consistency in tagline leads to better brand recall. Now if I were to mention only the tagline halfway, have a break, have a, and I'm sure you guys can complete the remaining sentence. That's the power of brand recall, and that's the power that's generated with consistency in taglines. Can you think of any other brands that have a consistent tagline throughout the years? Let me know in the comment box below. We need to focus on customer experiences. One of the most important things that can come out of these ad campaigns is the fact that all of them focus on the customer benefit. Now that's important because your consumers are always on the lookout for answering the question to what's in it for me. And lastly, consistent brand colors create a strong connection. Now this learning is not just specific to these ad campaigns but is prevalent across. The red and the silver wrapper have been used by the brand for a very long time. And now when you see the color red, you sort of associate it with the brand. And that's also the reason why I decided to wear red for this particular video. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned something out of it and enjoyed the video because it was so much fun recording it as well as making the video because I love these ad campaigns. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to review any other ad campaigns that have aired in the recent past or sometime back in the day. I do not want you guys to give me only successful campaigns. I believe there are a lot of learnings that we can gain from failures as well. So until next time, bye bye.